So you decided it's time to buy a house. Here's what you want to do to financially prepare for it. Hey, Michael here with the Garcia Real Estate Team, and this is my real estate tip in 1 minute. So you decided it's time to buy a house. Here's what you want to do to financially prepare for it. Number one, get your credit report from all 3 credit bureaus that include your FICO score. The credit report will show all your debt obligations, and you want to pay off your credit balances to about 30% or less of your limit. This will help increase your credit scores. Ideally, you want to be above 700, though you can still qualify for a loan with a score as low as 620 in certain situations. Number 2, have at least 3 accounts open that have a history of 2 years or more. Do not close any accounts, even if you paid them down to 0 balance, as this will actually lower your score. Number 3, save at least about 5% of your purchase price. This will cover the minimum down payment of 3.5% typically, and the 1.5% should cover most, if not all, your closing costs. If you have any retirement accounts, you can actually borrow against them and put towards your purchase. And number 4, most important, engage with a lender to discuss the various loan programs available that may include 100% financing and even down payment assistance. This is Michael with the Garcia Real Estate Team. Subscribe to our channel for more real estate tips. Until next time, you take care.